watching The Angle. I am Devita Singh. So let's start our bulletin with the headlines first. Om Birla to inaugurate program for the empowerment of Panchayati Raj institution. Navjot Singh Sidhu's advisor Malvinder resigned. He gave controversial statement on Kashmir and Indira Gandhi. Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot's angioplasty was done successfully. Leaders of power and opposition wished for recovery. Governor Shri Kalraj Mishra on Friday signed the idea wall built by the Regional Public Relations Bureau of the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting under the Amrit Mahotsav of Azadi. Speaker Om Birla inaugurates a parliamentary outreach program for empowerment for Panchayati Raj institutions in Ladakh. He appealed to all democratic institutions to encourage greater public participation in every process. Om Birla, in his address to Panchayat representatives, block development councillors, and hill councilling representatives, said greater public participation in development process helps in strengthening democracy. He also appealed to voters to participate in democratic process of their requirements. Om Birla opined that even Parliament, while making acts, must consider public opinion. He said public participation would help in socio-economic upliftment of society. Navjot Singh Sidhu's advisor Malvinder Mali resigns on his post. Ever since Malvinder took over the post, he has been in the news for his controversial remarks on the captain and the Gandhi family. He was facing all-round criticism after posting a controversial photo of former PM Indira Gandhi and commenting on Kashmir. Due to this, the Congress High Command came under the target of opponents. Yesterday itself, Punjab Affairs in charge Harish Rawat, following the instructions of the High Command, asked Navjot Singh Sidhu to remove his advisors immediately. Orange alert of heavy rain announced in Badrinath, Gangotri, Yamunotri. Also, highways were closed. In Uttarakhand, there is a possibility of heavy rain in the most areas from plain to mountains in the next 24 hours. According to the Meteorological Department, apart from the capital Dehradun, there is a possibility of heavy rains with strong showers in districts like Nainital, Bageshwar and Pittorgarh. An orange alert has been issued in these districts. As far as the capital Doon and surroundings area are concerned, light to moderate rain is expected at some places across the district. Arvind Kejriwal will start Desh Ka Mentor program. Also, Sonu Sood will be the brand ambassador. Film actor Sonu Sood met Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on today's morning. During this, Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia, Raghav Chadda and others were also present. This meeting of actor Sonu Sood and Kejriwal has happened for a special purpose. In fact, the Delhi government is starting a program called Desh Ka Mentor, whose brand ambassador will be Sonu Sood. Both gave detailed information about this through a press conference. Kejriwal also told that this program can start by mid-September. Kejriwal thanked Sonu Sood and said that today Sonu has become an inspiration for the whole country. BKU spokesperson Rakesh Tikait said that if farmers were surrounded by PM's Modi residence regarding farmers' bill, then what will be left for them? Regarding agriculture laws, BKU spokesperson Rakesh Tikait's partner and Haryana's farmer leader Gurnam Singh has said that if the food donors surround Prime Minister Narendra Modi residence, then what will be left for the government? He claimed that 650 farmers have sacrificed their lives in the movement. There have been cases against more than 37,000 people. There are only two ways to get the demands fulfilled. Gurnam said that there has been an awakening in the whole country that we will defeat BJP, but it is also true whether the other government will listen to us. I am with Kisan Morcha, but my views are slightly different. If we surround the PM with 50,000, 5 lakhs or even 10 lakhs farmer, what will be the way for them? No law says shoot the public. Eventually they will have to listen to us. The health of Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot is unwell. They are examined at SMS hospital. Angiography was done in the cath lab of Chief Minister Gehlot. After angiography, CM Gehlot's angioplasty was also done. Doctors have kept him under observation for the time being, whereas after receiving the news of the CM Gehlot's ill health, the round of prayers has started across the state. Along with this, wishes are being made for the speedy recovery of CM Gehlot. CM Ashok Gehlot himself also tweeted about this and wrote that after COVID, I was having health problems and since yesterday, I was having severe pain in my chest. I am fine and will be back soon. Your blessings and best wishes are with me. While releasing the health bulletin, Dr. Sudhir Bhandari, principal of SMS Medical College, said that CM Gehlot was suffering from chest pain for a day or two. ECG did last night, then midnight, then this morning is found normal. Even after everything was normal, CT angio was done. He told that 90% blockage was found in one artery in CT angio. We have advised CM Gehlot to take a rest for 2 or 3 days. CM Gehlot attacks on Modi government regarding Sabarmati Ashram. CM Ashok Gehlot took a dig at the centre and the Gujarat government over the tampering with the original form of Sabarmati Ashram in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. CM Gehlot said that instead of making efforts to earn money, let Sabarmati Ashram be the centre of contemplation. The decision to modernize it is completely wrong. This decision is being criticized not only in India but all over the world. With this decision, the simplicity and purity of Sabarmati Ashram will be end. Prayers for Chief Minister Health across in Jaipur by different ministers. Chief Whip Dr. Mahesh Joshi offered prayers after visiting the very ancient temple of Bhaumiaji in SMS Hospital. MLA Shakuntala Rawat, MLA Narendra Budania, PCC Vice President Naseem Akhtar and other Congress leaders also offered prayers. Lord Mahadev's Rudra Abhishek was also performed in the Shiv Shakti Hanuman temple. The Pandits chanted Mahamrityunjay in the presence of Mahant Purushottam Bharti. Kalraj Mishra flag off the mobile exhibition van regarding idea of the wall. By the Regional Public Relations Bureau under the Amrit Mahotsav of Independence, along with the fighters and events related to the freedom movement, an initiative has been taken to focus on 15 stands mini mobile exhibitions. Also, he flagged off the mobile exhibition van from Raj Bhavan for the purpose of creating awareness about corona vaccine. He said that it is necessary to vaccinate with public awareness to prevent corona. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel The Angle. Thank you.